What's up guys? You know I have already tested some portable projectors on our channel, Tech Brothers, but this one looks like the smallest. The projector is almost the same size as the iPhone 12, however it has 7000 mAh built-in battery and 2 hours of battery life for watching videos, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection, as well as Full HD resolution support. It can be a good projector for business trip and camping. In this video I want to check Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection, the noise level, speaker quality and projection quality. Let's start with unboxing, because the projector comes with some useful accessories. Elephas portable projector comes in a black box with a texture that makes it feel premium and expensive. And there is only Elephas logo and mini projector inscription on the front. On the back of the box you can read the model name of the projector and some information about the manufacturer. Inside the box there is a carrying bag with the same Elephas logo. Let's open it. Here we have a user manual and quick start guide, HDMI cable, power adapter and a tripod, a projector itself, as well as remote control and USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. So it is very good that portable projector has a carrying bag and a tripod included. The main feature of Elephas A1 projector is a compact size. The dimensions are 150 by 100 by 25 mm. The weight is 320 grams. It is almost the same size as my iPhone 12, but twice as thick. You know, this projector is very close to the pocket size. The body of the projector is made of black matte plastic. There is a small lens and I/O receiver on the front. On the back we can see USB port, the second I/O receiver, a USB Type-C port, HDMI port and a 3.5 mm audio jack. There is also a speaker on the rear panel. The focus wheel is on the right side. The control panel at the top has navigation buttons, OK, return, menu and power. You can also use a remote control to control the projector. Finally, there is a kickstand at the bottom to raise the front of the projector. But I think it is better to use a tripod. It can be used to position the projector at any angle. Before we turn the projector on and go into the settings menu, I want to tell you about the battery. Elephas A1 has a 7000 mAh built-in battery. The manufacturer promises 2 hours of battery life on a single charge. You can also use the projector as a power bank to charge your mobile device. The USB Type-C port supports 100 watts PD charging. You know, Elephas A1 has a multimedia system, so you can watch movies, listen to music or run documents via connected USB flash drive. You can also connect a laptop, game console or other device via HDMI port. Later I will show you that. Now let's go to the settings menu. Here we have picture settings and we can choose a picture mode, brightness, aspect ratio, Keystone, projection mode, and image scale. By the way, Elephas A1 has an automatic keystone correction and it works really well. However, you can turn it off and use a manual keystone correction if you want. The system settings include language, restore factory and upgrade. As already said, the new Elephas projector has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. Let's check them out. First, you can mirror the display of your smartphone on a big projection screen. For that, go to the screencast. There are 5 connection methods available, such as iOS Cablecast, iOS Cast, Mirrorcast, Windows Cast, and DLNA. However, first, you need to go to the cast settings and connect the projector to your home Wi-Fi network. I will use iOS Cast for wireless connection of smartphone to the projector. Now you just need to open Control Center on your iPhone and go to the screen mirroring. Finally, select Flexi A1 device. That's all. By the way, the projector supports 5G Wi-Fi, so the latency is quite low. Elephas A1 also has a Bluetooth. You know, a built-in speaker of this projector is low quality, so it is good that you can connect an external speaker via Bluetooth. For that, go to the setup and open a Bluetooth menu. Now tap on search button and select your Bluetooth device. In my case, this is a compact Bluetooth speaker. If we started talking about a built-in speaker, let me play you some songs. Unfortunately, the sound from the built-in speaker is quiet and low quality. The good thing is that you can connect an external speaker via Bluetooth or even headphones via 3.5mm audio jack. Finally, let's measure the noise level of Elephas A1 projector. You know, this is a compact, portable projector, but it still needs cooling. The fan works very well, so the projector doesn't overheat. The noise level near projector is 40 decibels. And it is about 35 decibels at 1 meter. Now let's talk about projection quality. I told you that Elephas A1 has Full HD resolution support, but I didn't find any information about native resolution. From my experience, I think it is 480p, because you can see individual squares or pixels at close range. The profile picture of our YouTube channel looks like one from Minecraft, doesn't it? The small text is quite difficult to read. However, the image is clear all over the screen, including the corners. If you look at the projection from a distance, the picture is very decent. The colors are very saturated. You know, if you are choosing between LCD and DLP projectors, a DLP will always be better, even if it has a lower native resolution.
Is fish with conventional lures. I'm sorry? The lure being? Danny Francesco. The movie star. Greg Simmons' favorite movie star. And how do we get him? Blackmail. Who's to get? Very good.
It's like he found me. Peter Pan?
Were you expecting someone else?
What do you say, boys? You ready for an adventure? It looks very...
So what does our heartbeat sound like? Mighty.
Chenzo connects on a three. And the Warriors have tied up his 8th consecutive game dealing with a family matter. As Anthony Davis misses, Vanderbilt just snatches the rebound away and banks it home.
Extra run. We've watched her progress, the veteran, through these Olympic Games, the consistent days. She has gotten better as the innings have progressed. We talked about at the top of this game how she struggled that very first game. Let me listen. What was that?
He was trying to beat his own game.
So the laptop stand comes in this box. There is no company logo on the box, but we can read the assembly instruction, as well as the materials and size of the stand on the backside, with 2000 mAh charging keys. This can be used as a power bank for charging mobile devices. If you are standing now, please sit down, because you might... Elephas A1 has only 180 ANSI, but the brightness of this projector is much higher than many other LCD projectors of the same price range.
once her team certainly scored, and now Japan in that driver's seat.
There's another ball lifted into the outfield, but only shallow right. It's Murata Nodoka camping under it for the first out.
Subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers. So the full name of this earbuds is Lenovo ThinkPlus LifePods LP8 Pro. So Elephas A1 Projector has its advantages and disadvantages. Let's start with what I don't like about it. I think the main problem of this projector is the built-in speaker. It is very weak. Fortunately, it is possible to connect external speakers or headphones via Bluetooth or a 3.5mm jack. In addition, Elephas A1 has a low native resolution and it is probably not suitable for presentations. The small text is very difficult to read. However, overall, I like the projection quality because the image is very bright and the colors are rich. This is because Elephas A1 uses DLP technology, but not LCD. Of course, the compact size and built-in battery are the advantages of this projector. So for the price of $200, Elephas A1 is really good portable projector. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!